You don't need money to start making money with AI. In 2025, you just need creativity and a few smart tools. Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to earn your first $1,000. Online using free AI platforms. First, sell prompts. Sounds simple, but prompt engineering is a real skill. You can package optimized ChatGPT prompts for marketers, copywriters, or YouTubers and sell them on marketplaces. Second, offer AI-powered services. For example, automate blog creation, generate captions, or edit videos using free AI tools. Clients love speed, and AI gives you that edge. Third, create and sell AI Notion templates. People want organized systems, and AI helps you build them faster. Each of these methods is beginner-friendly and proven to work. No coding, no upfront investment. Just strategy, execution, and a bit of AI magic. By the end, you'll have the roadmap to your first $1,000 online, built entirely with free AI tools.